everyone, my name is Virazar Siddharth. Today date is 9th May 2022. Today's topic is string. The Java string, in which Java basically object that represents sequence of character and values. An array of characters works on same as Java string. Java string class provides a lot of methods perform operation on a string, such as compare method, concat method, equals method, split method, length method, replace method, compare to intern and substring method. In Java lang.string class implement the serializable and comparable and character sequence of interface, and in which character sequence interface, character sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of character, string and string buffer and string buffer builder classes implements. And it is a means of we can create a string in Java by using the base of three classes, in which the part of the Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. However, whenever change any string, a new instance of created for mutable string, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. Generally, string is a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents the sequence of characters. The Java.lang strings class is used to create a string object, and there are two ways of create string objects: by string literal and by new keyword. And string literal, the Java string literal is created by the using double quotes. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks of the string constant pool. First of, if the string that already exists in the pool and refers to the provided instance of return in the string does not exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. And second is by new keyword. In such case, JVM will be create a new string object in the normal of the non-pool heap memory, and is the literal welcome to will be placed in the string constant pool, and the variables refers to the object in the heap non-pool. And Java string class method in the Java lang.methods class provides in that character index. It returns the character value of the particular index. It returns string length, and int length it returns of the string length. And third is static string format object. It returns a format string. And next is in which static string format scalable local and string format object. It returns formatted string with the given scalable local and string substring being index string. Substring is the beginning index, end index. It returns of the substring for given beginning index. It returns given the index of the beginning index and end index, and which boolean contains char sequence, in which it returns the true or false after matching the sequence of character value. And static string join the character sequence of the delimiter in character sequence, in which elements of the returns a join string. And ninth is static string join character sequence, in which delimiter of the iterable extents of the sequence extends to the boolean equals object another, and it checks the equality of string with the given objects. And next is checks the boolean of character sequence, in which returns of the value in the particular index. And in this course, each time of create string literal, the JVM checks of the string constant pool, and string already exists in the pool, and as refers to the pooled instance of the return in the of the string does not exist in the pool, and new string instance of is created by the placed in the pool. And by new keywords, in which of the JVM will be create a new string object in normal non-pool and keep the information in which will be placed in the string costed pool the variable and non object of the heap memory in which non pool. Thank you.